Let's get down to business.
Dishonor on your whole family. Dishonor on you.
Anything to be like Mulan. Gotcha. I'm not cutting my hair, sorry.
Dishonor on your cow.
Olive!
And the swole comment of the day is this comment right here. For a chance to be featured in the next swole comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment below.
Hello my babies, welcome back to another video. In honor of the new Mulan movie coming out, and in honor of Mulan being a badass, I'm going to be eating and training like her. So grab some popcorn and enjoy. Oh yeah, that's real easy. Jesus. Porridge, and it's happy to see you. Damn, I really fucked up. I forgot I was supposed to fry my eggs. I'm so used to scrambling them. For our first meal of the day, we are having some porridge. I really thought I had chopsticks, but I don't. I forgot I need to make some green tea. Dope. Damn, it's way too early for me to be fucking everything up already in this video. There we go. Now we're ready to party. How's your day? Are you having a good day? I hope you're having a great day. Let's see. What does Mama Swole think of porridge? Pretty tasteless. It's like the plainest food you could probably ever eat, but at least the egg and bacon makes it like a little bit better. By the way, fitness tip, use turkey bacon because it's way less fat than regular bacon. Not that it matters because like the 2 egg yolks have a ton of fat anyways, but you know. So for the first meal, we're gonna rate it let's rate it like a 7. It's pretty good with the eggs and bacon. I definitely could not eat porridge by itself. That would be the most bland meal ever. Hopefully this will get my brain working because as you can see, it is not working very well this morning. As the video goes on though, don't you worry kids, we're gonna get there. Should we talk about the workout that we're gonna do? We should, shouldn't we? So basically what I did was Google Mulan workout and I found this website called superherojacked.com. So that is where this workout is coming from. The portion of the workout that I'm gonna do from the website is just the body weight training portion and it looks brutal. So it's 5 sets of 4 exercises. The exercises are push-ups, air squats, dips, and pull-ups. And it's 20 reps, 15 reps, 10 and 10. So that sounds
freaking brutal.
But I think we could do it. In fact, I know we can. I'm gonna mix that with a little bit of MMA because it said that Mulan does MMA training as well. I've done boxing before and I've done JKD, but I found this video on YouTube that's a beginner course, so I'm gonna try to follow along with that. And I think it'll be fun. I think it'll be pretty interesting. I'm actually like excited to do this, so yep. I'm gonna finish my porridge now. That is a sentence I never thought I'd say. Who thinks to like eat porridge? Who wakes up in the morning and is like, yeah, I'm feeling some porridge today. And then we will move on to the training portion. So bland. So freaking bland. Good news, everyone. My brain is working now, so I'm ready to get my MMA fighting on. Pow, pow, pow. I'm excited. Let's get it.
Okay, let's begin by finding our basic fighting stance. Bring your arms straight up to the sky and let them fall right in front of you.
Got my
Let's go with some
stance.
punches. The first one is the jab, and we often refer to this as the 1. It's just extending your lead arm. Don't overcomplicate it. That's all I want you to do. Jab in full looks like this. Okay? So when we throw our jab, all we're doing is corkscrewing our arm as we extend it, aiming to make contact with our fist, protecting our chin with our shoulder. That's why we do that corkscrew motion. And then we retract it as quickly as we throw it. Okay? So it's not just a quick and a lazy retraction. We want to go quick, in, out, okay?
Okay, we learned our first punch. Psst, psst, psst. I don't know, he made that sound effect, so I guess I'm supposed to make it. Psst. What do you think? Pretty good, right? I'm doing good so far.
Next up, the 2 is the cross. So it's going to be the rear hand now, the straight punch, very similar to the jab, except we are going to rotate our hips and pivot on our foot. Number 3 is the hook, the lead hook. Throw the lead hook, which looks like this. This is the motion to practice the hook here.
Okay, I've learned a lot so far. We got our jab. No, wait. We got our jab. Wait, I need to be more confident with it. Jab, and then we got our cross. Wait, is that what it's called? So yeah, this is the cross. Bam! Kick your ass. And then we got a hook. This is fun. Bow! Boom! Damn, I like this.
The last one that we're going to teach is just the uppercut. We're going to do this with the rear. We're going to do the same thing with the uppercut. It's a short range attack, and it's just to lift our opponent's head up and then follow up with more punches. So we're going to demonstrate with the rear, very similar to the cross in that we twist our hips, we rotate on the rear foot, and we throw the uppercut at the same time. Okay, so we have the 1, 2, the 3, and your uppercut.
Okay, so here it is all together. We got the jab, cross, no wait, yeah. We got the jab, cross, we got hook, jab, cross, hook, uppercut. I don't know, my uppercut needs work. I don't think my uppercut's very good. Now we're gonna learn some
Let's go over
kicks.
some basic kicks. So the first one is gonna be the teep. So the teep is we bring our leg up, and as we do, we keep a slight bend in our knee. We're gonna tilt our upper body back, and we're gonna shoot our hips forward, driving into the ground with our planted foot, okay? So a teep looks like this. And once more. And then you have the rear teep, leaning the upper body back as you drive the hips forward. Okay, that's the teep, the front push kick. We also have the roundhouse kick. So let me show you what it looks like in full. I'll throw a right roundhouse kick to the body. Okay, as I put my pressure onto my lead leg, I aim with my knee past the target. I go past the target because I'm aiming to kick through, right? Across, and then I start to extend my leg, and as I do, I swing this arm back down. And I leave it right in front of my opponent's face to blind them, extend my leg, and then I put that foot down. I put that foot down, and then I lift the opposite leg up to check. This is a good habit to have, but let's go over this roundhouse kick one more time. So I take a cheat step, hand comes across, knee comes across, extend the leg for the kick, put that foot down. Lift the opposite leg up for the check.
Oh my god, that's hard.
The next one that we're going to look at is the sprawl. What you're going to do from your fight stance is bend your knees. Your hands are going to drop down to the mat, and you're going to shoot your legs out violently, bringing your hips down to the mat, keeping your arms extended, and then you're going to pop right back up as quickly as you went down. I drop down, my hands touch the mat, feet extend out, my hips touch the mat, and then I bounce right back up into my guard. Okay? Quick, looks like this.
Holy that is hard. Okay, so let's put it all together. We got our jab, cross, hook, uppercut, and then we got our kicks. So we got our front, we got our back kick. I don't think that's actually the names, but I forget what the names are. What else was there? Oh, roundhouse. Roundhouse. I think that was perfect. And then we got our sprawl. Was that what it's called? Sprawl. So that's like
Yeah, I'm a pro MMA fighter.
Thanks, Fight Tips. This is fun. I like learning these stuff. I might actually start like trying to do this more often. Let's get a cool montage of everything I learned. You ready? Damn, this is good exercise, man. Okay, so now it's time for the cardio. Hooray. Let's just get it over with, right? First we have 20 push-ups, so pray for me. Here we go. Thank God, we're done with the push-ups. Next we have some air squats. So that won't be too hard. We just got 15 air squats. Let's get it. lie, these aren't as easy as I thought. Now we have some dips, but thankfully we only have 10. Thank you, Lord, because I despise this exercise. Here we go, let's do it. Alright folks, now we have 10 push-ups. I've never done, no wait, pull-ups. I've never done 10 pull-ups in a row. The most I've done is 5, so let's see if I can do it. Here we go. Okay, no, I cannot do 10. I can do like 5. How many was that? 5? I failed you, Mulan. I failed you. Workout is done. Yes, Suki, the workout is done. Aren't you happy? I'm happy too, baby. Okay, so now we're gonna go eat. No, wait. Yeah, we're gonna go eat some lunch. My brain isn't working again. Don't they look beautiful?
Alright, so for lunch, we have some dumplings. Sorry, I still don't have chopsticks yet. I promise I'm getting on it. For dinner, hopefully. Let's try them out, shall we? I think they're gonna be pretty good. I don't remember the last time I had a dumpling one. It's been a minute. And we're dipping it in some hoisin sauce. I know that's not the typical dumpling sauce, but that's what Mama's gonna use, okay? Oh my god. I see why Mulan's such a boss. This is freaking good. If I ate like this every day, shit, I'd be a boss too. Well, I am a boss, but you know. Dude, this is so good. Oh my god. This meal gets a 10 out of 10 for sure. Should I be telling you guys the macros? Let's make it more fun. Guess them in the comments below, and I'll tell you if you're right. But so far, eating and training like Mulan is pretty fun. Okay, so we got some chopsticks. I came through just like I promised. I found this meal off of Google. I didn't do it exactly as it said. I kind of just winged it. But it looks pretty good, so let's give her a try. These noodles though, these noodles are sketching me out because they smell like, oh, they smell better now. But originally they smelled like Play-Doh. I feel like that's not good. Okay, we got some edamame, some noodles, tofu. Get it all in one bite. I'm gonna burn my mouth. You guys know what I'm gonna say, right? Slaps! That's freaking good. Damn, that cookie is getting better and better, I must say. Giving myself a little pat on the back for that one. Well, there you have it, folks. The video has come to an end. I hope you enjoyed it. I certainly did. Go see the movie. I haven't seen it yet, but I think I might see it. This isn't like a promo for the movie, by the way. That'd be funny though. If Mama Swole was doing a promo for the Mulan movie. Maybe one day. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can join the Swole Baby Squad. Comment below who else I should eat and train like. Make sure you like the video so we can continue to grow our Swole Baby Squad. See you on the next one. Peace. Olive! Come on, you can do it. Olive! Fuck. Okay.